defense during activated.
Hi, I'm Mahdy. Today I'm talking about Redmi 12 phone. This is the phone. This is Redmi 12 with your favorite Google apps. The phone is really awesome for unique design and some great features, which are premium glass back design, up to 16GB RAM including virtual RAM. The chipset is Mediatek Helio G88 for faster avalanches and smoother performance. 6.79-inch display with 90Hz adaptive synchronous refresh rate. 50 megapixel AI triple camera with 8 megapixel selfie camera. Large 5000 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charging. This is Redmi 12 Midnight Black 4GB RAM 128GB ROM phone. Package content: mobile phone adapter, USB Type-C cable, SIM eject tool, protective case, quick start guide and warranty card. Now I am unboxing this product, so let's see. This is the phone. This is SIM eject tool. This is quick start guide. And this is warranty card. This is the protective case. Wow, really nice. This is charger. This is charger adapter. And this is charging cable. That's all. Now let's see the phone. Wow, the phone is really nice. Premium glass back design and so slim. You can see that. Super. There are 3 cameras like iPhone. The main camera is 50 megapixel and another one is 8 megapixel ultra wide and another one is 2 megapixel macro. And the selfie camera is 8 megapixel. The weight of the phone is 198.5 gram. And the phone is water and dust resistant, which is really good. This is sound up and sound down button. And this is power button. Also for fingerprint sensor. USB Type-C port for charging, and this is .5mm microphone jack port for headphone, and this is the speaker. Wow. SIM card and memory card case. The design of the phone is really awesome. Really unique design. I like this. The operating system is Android. Oh. To protect your consumer rights, please keep this label intact. The label is so important for warranty policy. This is really unique and smart design. I like this phone. You can use it. Okay.
Automated defense grid activated.